Hey, happy Friday! I got a package today from 10 Digit Creations. I already unboxed it just to make it a little easier. First thing is a sample of Sea Monster. Sounds interesting. These are so cute in their little cupcake things. That's interesting. A little floral, I think. That'll be fun to try out. Thank you. And I got two for my husband. First one is cedar and saffron. He's really interested in the cedar scent, so got him a few from different places to try out. Oh, I like that. Smells like a cedar chest. And then this one is cedar chest. See if there's a difference. Oh yeah, there is a difference. This one's I don't know, I don't really get that heavy cedar scent. Well, that's odd. But it's good. Hopefully he'll like that. And then I got warm vanilla sugar. Which is just nice and sweet. Get the vanilla. Yummy, yummy. Hansel and Gretel's house. Oh yeah. Oh, that smells good. Very good. Pineapple souffle. Oops, I had a avalanche over there. Oh, that smells good. Very pineapple. Cider Lane. Really smell the apple. Very nice. Toasted marshmallow. Oh, that smells, that's really strong. That's a marshmallow yumminess. And I got two of the pistachio coconut fluff. That is my favorite, pistachio. Oh, that's really nutty. Oh, I like that. Very nutty. Pink chiffon. That is nice. We have so much fun melting these. Pink sands. Smells a little different than the other pink sands I've had. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's my nose. But it's still good. Pink sugar. Oh yeah, that's definitely pink sugar. Yum yum. And the last one is sugared pear. I really like pear scents. That's like a fresh pear. Don't really pick up the sugar on cold. But that is nice. I like that. Thank you very much. Can't wait to start melting these. Have a good day. Bye.